As far as the world of sleepers is concerned, well, it doesn't get much more exciting than this. Welcome to the all-new AMG-charged C63s. The AMG aggressive grille, their Falterbach badge, the massive alloy wheels, but more importantly, perhaps some over 500 kilowatts of power, 1,000 plus Newton meters of torque, means serious performance. Let's take it for a drive. So comfortable, so quiet, so civilized. I love the beautiful leatherwork in the cabin, the wood grain trim. I love the feel of these seats where they etched a Falterbach branding. They heated, of course. You've got beautiful Burmester sound around the cabin and dual panoramic roofs overhead. It feels like, well, another luxury sedan. On the outside, the black murdered out image tells you there's something more going on. The AMG slats on the grille, for instance, let you know that you are driving something incredibly special. But it's so quiet in here. A couple of years back, I drove the mighty AMG-charged C63s Coupe. A link will be in the description below, and I'll pop a few clips on screen now. I got it over an incredibly wet and raining weekend in winter here down in the Cape, and that was a scary experience. In fact, I had to hold on for my dear life, and it almost put me off driving. It was an absolute animal, so ferociously charged and difficult to control. Fast forward to this. This doesn't have the mighty M177 motor. It has a mere 2-litre 4-cylinder unit. However, it's now hybrid electric. So while I'm driving along in total silence, total luxury and comfort in a B mode here, checking my brake battery percentage, and the charge cables in the boot, a charge port on one side as well as petrol on the other. What you have here is a little switch on the steering wheel. If we notch this into C, a comfort mode, and then onto S, you'll hear, well, suddenly the engine starts to liven up. If we notch it into this, track mode, the one you want to be in, well then you can unleash the full 500 plus kilowatts and over 1,000 Newton meters of torque. Now you're getting serious gunfire out the exhausts, a lot of brutal acceleration. We're talking 0 to 100 dispatched in about 3.5 seconds. In fact, make that a bit lower. Plus, thanks to the way it's configured, the all-wheel drive configuration, the AMG 4MATIC system kicking in, as well as the hybrid electric power, it's rapid yet controllable. It makes somebody who hasn't got any track focus look like an absolute hero. It's also got all the clever tech and driver aids up front of me. I've got the beautiful heads-up display with track mode. In here, you've got the comfort, but yet you've got all the noise and performance straight on tap. That is what the modern day AMG charged C63s is all about. When you get it out of its quiet B electric mode and into a track performance mode, it just needs the slightest gap. Then you're tapping in to the 2-litre 4-cylinders full capacity. Now we're talking 0 to 100 dispatched in under 3.5 seconds. The AMG slats on the grille, the massive alloy wheels, and the red brake calipers working hard, because this is a serious AMG performance machine, but built for the modern day age. You can weirdly coast along or cruise along a highway like this in this track mode, or put it down into an electric driven performance mode where you are into total silence. It's quiet, it's civilized, it's smooth. In fact, it even will deliver quite a good fuel economy figure around the city. But when you feel like having a bit of fun, well, it delivers on all angles. a bad place to end off the journey. And I think you'll agree with me, that is a lovely view. It's a progressive, dynamic, family sleeper for the future, an AMG-charged animal with green efficiency. The battery components mean that you silky, smoothly edge your way along a mountain trail like this. But then, as you saw back there, race start, a lap timer lets you have the time of your life thanks to a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder with over 500 kilowatts. It is frighteningly fast, this. It is truly the AMG future of Mercedes-Benz.